तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है। इसी शिद्दत से हमारे हर कस्टमर ने क्रेटा को ढेर सारा प्यार दिया है और हमने कोशिश की है कि हर घर में एक क्रेटा पहुंचाई जाए। मिड एसयूवी सेगमेंट में हर 3 गाड़ी जो बिकती है उसमें एक Hyundai क्रेटा है। पूरे भारत में हर 5 मिनट में एक क्रेटा बिकती है। 175 मिलियन सर्चेस हुए हैं Hyundai क्रेटा के कीवर्ड से संबंधित। वाओ! इसका नतीजा 9 लाख से अधिक क्रेटा भारत की सड़कों पर चल रही है। इसके साथ 2,80,000 और क्रेटा हमने विदेशी कस्टमर्स के घरों में पहुंचाई है। गुड इवनिंग, नमस्कार। I welcome you all to the most awaited launch of the 2024. Today, we come together to celebrate the perfect fusion of vitality, elegance, spaciousness, comfort, cutting-edge technology, distinctiveness, and reliability embodied by the new Hyundai Creta. A warm welcome again to everyone at Modi Hyundai Vasai showroom, a Gautam Modi Group enterprise. Our network of outlets started first in the year 2000 and has grown to 5 outlets across the state of Maharashtra in India over the span of 24 years. Throughout our journey, we have had the privilege of bringing joy and delight to approximately 225,000 customers with class-leading Hyundai cars and best of services provided by Modi Hyundai. Our commitment to excellence was acknowledged with the prestigious Best Signature Outlet Award for Outstanding Services in 2023. We remain dedicated to consistently upholding the values of professionalism and respect in our interactions with customers, both now and in the future. For numerous years, Hyundai has been a market leader in the automotive industry, crafting vehicles that embody innovation, reliability, and remarkable affordability. The brand has earned numerous accolades and consistent customer following, all attributed to its unwavering dedication to excellence. The all-new 2024 Hyundai Creta not only signifies the brand's tradition of quality craftsmanship, but also honors to its rich history. Hyundai has pioneered in the customer space by prioritizing the needs of the customers and comprehensively delivering vehicles that exceed expectations. दोस्तों, अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी बांध लो, मौसम बदलने वाला है। The mid SUV segment in India is the most competitive segment in the Indian automotive landscape. क्रेटा ने ऑलरेडी इंडियन कंज्यूमर्स के नजरिए को बदल दिया है। अब मिड एसयूवी सेगमेंट में मौसम और बदलने वाला है। The mid SUV segment in India has witnessed consistent launches, model improvements and discontinuations because the products were not meeting the customer's appetite. No model has been able to change Creta's presence as the segment leader since its launch in 2015. The Hyundai Creta has firmly established itself as the undisputed champion of the SUV market in India. First and foremost, its striking design and contemporary styling have resonated with Indian consumers, making it the obvious choice among SUV enthusiasts. The new Hyundai Creta is poised to take on the competition and set new segment benchmarks in the mid SUV segment while maintaining its leadership position. The new Hyundai Creta is primarily built on 5 pillars: charismatic and commanding exteriors, radiant and upmarket interiors, exciting and advanced technology, trusted and fun-to-drive performance, and all-round uncompromised safety. Let's understand its key pillars. The first pillar is the charismatic and commanding exterior. The Hyundai Creta makes an unforgettable mark with its charismatic and commanding exterior, presenting a bolder stance highlighted by a new design, Horizon LED positioning lamps, DRLs, a pair of quad beam LED headlamps, and all new alloy wheels. The confident and distinctive wear is enhanced with horizon connecting LED tail lamps, creating an unmistakable presence on the road, truly futuristic. The second pillar is the radiant and upmarket interior. Step inside the Hyundai Creta, where radiant and upmarket interiors elevate the luxury quotient. Seamlessly integrated state-of-the-art screens enhance the all-new dashboard, harmonizing the design with cutting-edge technology for a truly engaging driving experience. Phenomenal combination of luxury and design. The third pillar is the exciting and advanced technology. Crafted to enhance convenience, connectivity and entertainment, the Hyundai Creta boasts exciting and advanced technology features. From the voice-enabled smart panoramic sunroof to dual automatic temperature control, a 10.25 inches full digital cluster and a 10.25 inches high definition infotainment system, every detail is designed for an unparalleled driving experience. Hyundai BlueLink connectivity with 70 plus features added with 148 different voice commands and 62 English, that is Hindi plus English voice commands. You get an immersive sound experience with the 8-speaker Bose premium sound system. The 8-way power driver seat further accentuates the Creta's technological prowess, truly empowering innovation and state-of-the-art technology. The fourth pillar is the trusted and fun-to-drive performance. The Creta's trusted and fun-to-drive performance is underlined by a robust 4-cylinder engine, including options like the new 1.5-liter turbo GDI petrol engine, the 1.5-liter MPI petrol, and the 1.5-liter U2 CRDI diesel engine. The 5-speed manual transmission ensures precise control, while the intelligent variable transmission, automatic transmission and dual clutch transmission options provide the convenience of automatic shifting. Seamlessly integrating performance and sustainability has been Creta's promise for a gratifying and responsible driving experience. Exhilarating performance personified. The fifth pillar is the all-round uncompromised safety. Demonstrating Hyundai's unwavering dedication to top-tier build quality, the Hyundai Creta sets new standards in safety. With over 70 advanced safety features, including 36 standard features like 6 airbags, highline tire pressure monitoring system, electronic stability control, hill assist control, all 4 disc brakes, makes the Creta boast the highest number of standard safety features in its segment. This is further reinforced by the 19 features of Level 2 Hyundai SmartSense, advanced driver assistance system, making every journey in the all-new Creta a safe and secure reality. The most safest piece of machinery that one can find on the road. The new Hyundai Creta comes with 3 powertrain options: 1.5-liter Kappa Turbo GDI petrol, 1.5-liter MPI petrol, 1.5-liter U2 CRDI diesel. The above powertrain is mated with 4 transmission options, which are 6-speed manual, intelligent variable transmission, 6-speed automatic and 7-speed dual clutch transmission. The Hyundai Creta comes in 7 variants, which are E, EX, S, S optional, SX, SX Tech and SX optional. The all-new Hyundai Creta comes with 6 exciting monotone color options:
Samir sir,
Atlas White, Titan Grey, Abyss Black, Fiery Red and 2 new color options, the Ranger Khaki and the Robust Emerald Pearl. There is also a dual tone color option, the Atlas White with Abyss Black too. The Hyundai Creta reigns supreme in the fiercely contested mid SUV segment, surpassing its competition on multiple fronts.
With a commanding exterior presence, luxurious interiors, and cutting-edge technology, the Creta sets new standards for style and sophistication. Its power-packed performance, featuring a range of engines and transmission options, places it firmly at the forefront of driving dynamics. Unmatched in safety, the Creta boasts over 70 advanced features, including Level 2 Hyundai SmartSense, the advanced driver assistance system, making it an epitome of uncompromised safety. In essence, the Creta isn't just a vehicle, it's an embodiment of automotive excellence, reshaping expectations and asserting its dominance in the competitive landscape of mid-SUVs. You can only see the competition in the rear view mirror of the all-new Hyundai Creta. Period.
So you get endless peace of mind with Hyundai Creta's 3 years and unlimited kilometers warranty. Extend your protection with Hyundai's extended warranty stretching up to an impressive 7 years. Unlock the advantages of extended warranty, including major parts coverage, heightened car resale value and fully transferability across India. Enjoy the security of our Shield of Trust offering coverage for up to 5 years. Hit the road worry-free with 3 years of roadside assistance. Stay connected with 3 years of free fueling subscription, which enhances your driving experience. Groove to the beats with a complimentary 1-year JioSaavn Pro subscription. Navigate effortlessly with confidence as we provide you with 16 free over-the-air map updates. Only Hyundai can provide this kind of an undisputed and an ultimate package, isn't it? I would want to thank all our customers, both physically present here and our online customers, the entire sales team, housekeeping team and security. We are ever grateful for your contribution. To conclude, the Hyundai Creta truly embodies the perfect combination of breathtaking design, outstanding technology, sensational performance and spectacular safety. We invite you all to Modi Hyundai, a Gautam Modi group at Thane, Santa Cruz, Vasai, Virar and Wada to experience the all-new Hyundai Creta. Undisputed, ultimate. Thank you.